It's a pleasure to be here. It's exciting time, and what an audience here. And really, Michelle, thank you very much for putting so much energy. And today we're going to honor someone extremely special. Is Howard. Howard Milstein is the epitome of high achievement, entrepreneurship, and philanthropy. Like an accomplished sportsman, Howard makes it look so easy. But we know it comes with focus, long-term commitment, discipline. You know, I was thinking about words to describe Howard, and words that came to my mind are a great executive, a public servant, a dedicated philanthropist, a visionary, a leader. He went from a business education to a Juris Doctor degree, but he impresses us, the board members of the American Skin Association, with scientific questions that reviews his intellect and curiosity, because that doesn't come without study. And his instinct to spot the right research project, to sponsor the right scientists that will move and take science forward to benefit the patients, it's a talent. His love for New York is reflected in many local activities that he has, and many of the things that you know. And it goes from actually Abby's generous gifts to the New York Library that has been noticed, the New York Blood Center, the Rockefeller University or Cornell University, and to Howard's chairmanship of the Thruway Authority under the authority of Governor Cuomo. And by the way, Howard just received the Lifetime Achievement Award from the New York Regional Planning Association, which is a real big deal here in New York. There are so many things, and I would spend the whole night telling all the awards he has. And if New York were not big enough, he promotes many projects nationwide and internationally, such as the Milstein Medical Asian American Partnership Foundation, all the way to China. His philanthropic efforts touch several areas of healthcare. And for those of us in skin health, we are so fortunate that Howard has chosen to chair the American Skin Association. Howard, on behalf of all of us at the ASA, all of us that work with healthcare, a big thank you to you. If you would come up, please. Howard, thank you very much. This Visionary Leadership Award to Howard Milstein reads Financier, Philanthropist, Visionary, Creator, Leader, and recognizes him for the so many things that he's done for melanoma and other skin diseases. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Umberto.
Thank you.
Thank you, Umberto. I really like this Visionary Leadership Award better than the Lifetime Achievement Award. I was addressing a group of engineers, and I said, you know, I didn't know I was eligible for this Lifetime Achievement Award because I'm still so young. They didn't think it was funny. Engineers. Well, officially, thank you, Umberto, for the kind introduction and for all you and Galderma do for the American Skin Association. It's my sincere pleasure to accept this award. I would first like to welcome and thank American Skin founder, Dr. George Hambrick. George is seated in the middle of the room, so he has a good view of everyone around him. And he's recovered from an operation, but nothing can slow George down. He's here with us tonight, and you will all be hearing from him later this evening. George, it's wonderful to see you here tonight. And as chairman of the board, I would like to thank all of our board members. Nothing we do would be possible without your involvement and all your support for the board. Tonight we mark our 25 years of funding research, educating future generations on skin health, and furthering the goal of defeating melanoma, skin cancer, and other skin diseases. We honor leading figures for their breakthroughs and achievements in helping raise awareness and providing hope to those suffering from skin disorders. Among ASA's recent achievements are supporting the work of 172 exceptional young scientists, investigators with vision, drive, and dedication to find new and innovative ways to prevent, detect, and treat skin disease. In research, we've committed more than $9 million to advance research in dermatology, the key to early diagnosis, less invasive therapies, and in time, prevention and cure. Providing free instruction in sun safety and skin health to 12 million children, teachers, and parents through award-winning and national public school programs such as the Wonders of Skin for young teens. Establishing a model laboratory at Weill Cornell Medical College, which is so wonderfully represented here this evening, including Dean Laurie Glimsher, which remains as one of the finest research facilities of its kind. Helping Americans to better understand the often devastating impact of skin disease and the skin's irreplaceable role in good health through a free hotline, publications, and a website developed in conjunction with Rockefeller University. Urging government leaders to support increased funding for research, which today is among the National Institutes of Health's lowest priorities, but an important one for us. These accomplishments would not be possible without your support, everyone in this room here tonight. So I thank you. I'm delighted that this evening has raised over $760,000 to support the continuing efforts of the American Skin Association, and I'd like to thank our staff, Kathleen, Ashley, and Victor, for all their hard work over the past several months. As you know, we had the cancellation of our fall gala due to Hurricane Sandy, and through the generosity of our donors, we have been able to turn those gifts into contributions for our 2012 annual appeal, which have allowed us to fund 24 additional grants this year. So on behalf of all the people who receive these awards of research grants, all the children who receive the benefit of education and awareness into issues involving the skin, I'm happy to receive this award on their behalf and on behalf of the entire Board of Directors. Thank you very much.